Hello YouTube. I have an unboxing for you of some bicycle mirrors with built-in turn signals and a motorcycle turn signal switch. Everything mounts on the handlebars. Let me get this out now. A box and a box. I'm guessing this one is the mirror since it's heavy. Alright. And they're disassembled, okay. These mount in the end of the handlebars. And they are totally adjustable, except they won't go left or right. So they will mount something like this. And then these parts and there are two tiny wires attached. Well now, these come with a whole bunch of spacers. And not exactly sure how all this is going to work, but I guess something screws onto the end of this thing. There's a nut right there. Okay. Apparently, I don't know what holds them inside the handlebars. But I guess I'll figure that out eventually. Right now, this is the turn signal. Let's see. The wires, I'm going to assume red is the positive. And I'm going to see if this 9-volt battery will run this 12-volt light. All right. There we go. Wow. They don't seem to flash. Not really bright on 9 volts. I'm assuming higher voltage will make them brighter. All right. That's the lights. I don't see any directions on how they're supposed to function. Let's see about this turn signal switch. The mirrors mount in the handlebar ends. The turn signal switch, and boy, this is big and beefy. Obviously made for a motorcycle. I got these both on Amazon. The lights and turn signal cost $22. And this motorcycle switch cost $9. And apparently it's made to carry some current. Got a big long wire here. Now this switch will run turn signals left and right. That's not a momentary switch. You turn that on, they stay on. And also a horn button. I guess that's a high beam light switch and a horn button. Those are momentary. I'm planning to mount this on the left side of the handlebars. I should be able to handle all these. I don't know if I'll get anything connected to the light, but I do have a motorcycle horn coming, and I'll use that horn button. I'm not sure how this is going to work out. I may have to strip this and scale back this wiring. Tiny little wires in here, quite a few of them. And apparently nothing to tell you what wire is what. Oh, wait a minute. There are some papers in here. The wires are labeled. The white is the horn, the blue is the headlight, yellow is left turn signal, green is right signal, right equals flasher ground for turn signal light, or red, I mean. Okay, looks like we got a flasher built into this thing, which is very nice. So, all in all, it seems like a pretty good deal. We'll see how it works out on the bike. There you have it, YouTube. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and hit the bell.